Hi, in this video we will build the histogram of characters in the source file of this program. A histogram is really just a fancy way of saying that we count how many times each different element is present in a list. We will use a map for building this histogram. Let's open the source file of this program for reading and loop through all the characters using the read method. For building the histogram, we need to assign a count to each character. To be able to start from 0, we will use the dictionary's get method and return 0 when the key is not present. And of course, we need to increment this count once for every character we find. Now we are ready to print our histogram. And as you can see, it doesn't look great. Let's add some formatting by printing as many dash marks next to the characters as many times they are present in the file. For each character and count in the histogram items, we print a line which is going to be the character using ljust on an empty string to put as many hash marks, as many counts we have for that particular character. Now when we run this, it looks much better, but it is not in any particular order. To make it look even better, we can sort it using the built-in sorted function. Sort the histogram items and specify the key. Let's sort it by the count in a descending order. The key function will get the item, and we need the second part of this. This is going to be on index 1, and let's also pass in the reversed parameter so that we are getting a descending order. And this is going to be ordered by count descending, and we can iterate over this instead of histogram items. And running this code, as we can see, it is nice. Everything is here in descending order. This is it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.